Coconut water medicine. Please subscribe our Saturagiri Sri Shiva Sai Targal YouTube channel and click bell button. Do you know what changes happen after 7 days of coconut water drinking? Everyone knows the benefits of younger ones. Similarly, you know the coconut oil's medicinal properties. Now we're going to see not about coconut water. The coconut water is about the benefits. Here are the benefits of coconut water that you have never heard of here. Do you have 7 kilos in 7 days? Here are some cool tips for. The coconut water is not only very tasty, but if you continue to drink it for 7 days, you can see good changes in the body. And coconut water is one of the most effective body cleansing ingredients. Should we lose weight in 30 days? Make water diet flow then. Well, now drink coconut water and see what changes happen in the body. 1. The immune system is able to get rid of coconut water by drinking coconut water and also eliminate urinary tract infections, bacteria causing gut diseases and divergiving viruses that cause fever, mucus and cough. 2. Thyroid hormones. The thyroid problem is that if coconut water drinks, they increase the body's energy and increase the production of thyroid hormones and lead to dysfunction of thyroid gland. 3. Drink problems. If you have kidney problems, you can control kidney diseases by drinking coconut water. More coconut water. Exit the toxins in the body. If there are kidney stones, it will be dissolved. 4. Drone problem. If people with digestive tract continue to drink for 7 days, you can feel the digestive problem. 5. No matter how much you drink coconut water to reduce weight, the body does not absorb fat. And if you drink it, you will be hungry. This helps prevent body weight gain. 6. If high blood pressure is high blood pressure, if a cup of coconut water drinks every morning, they will regulate the body's electrolytes and reduce blood pressure. 7. After drinking too much alcohol in the night and feeling bad headache during the next morning, if you drink coconut water, the headache will be removed and the alcohol hazards will be halted and the hangover will stop you. If a cup of coconut water is drinking daily, the drought in the body can be prevented and can be functioning with a stronger look and energy throughout the day. 9. Good for pregnancies. If you drink coconut water, experts say that you can get rid of various health problems during pregnancy,